Hey y'all, and welcome to this meditation video. And I'll be honest, I just meditated for 2 sessions in a row, and this is my third one, and I don't feel like meditating. And this may be your first meditation, and you're kind of just making yourself do it because I feel like you should. So let's just do that. We're going to try to meditate. We may not want to, but we'll do it together, okay? So let's take a deep breath in and out. Breathe in and out. Another deep breath in and out. All right, breathe at your own pace now and listen to the sound of my voice. So as we sit here and meditate and you're focusing on your breath, also notice or think about, feel rather, what is it or where is it within the mind that does not want to meditate? It's like you know you want to do it, but what is saying, I don't want to? And what does that feel like? What does that resistance feel like? It's not right or wrong. If you don't feel aware, no problem. It's just a question to check in with. Because I think often there are a lot of things we don't want to do that may be good for us. And if we are able to feel that feeling of resistance and where we experience it and how we experience it, the more often we can become aware of it more quickly. And once there is awareness, then there is the choice. The procrastination. Do I want to go ahead and just go through it and do it anyway, through that resistance? Or maybe today I should just avoid it entirely. But the key is being aware, first of all. And that's what we're doing in this meditation. You may notice that if you feel into this awareness, or you feel into this feeling of resistance with awareness, the resistance may lessen. The longer we sit in stillness and in meditation, the more likely our mind gets anxious, wanting to get up and do something else. It's too neutral. There's not much stimuli. Maybe this is why we don't want to meditate. There's no large immediate hit of dopamine that we could get from eating a snack or watching TV or listening to music or doing an activity or scrolling on social media. The irony is that once we take a break from those things I just described, and we sit here in meditation, it's like we come back to those activities with fresh eyes, with a fresh perspective, almost rejuvenated, that we got a break from the constant stimulation. And in this way, we get a deeper sense of rest than when we think we're resting, when we're on our phone and taking in more information to the brain that needs a desperate break in this digital age. One more minute. And as I said, one more minute. Do you feel in your brain where the anticipation of it being over? That feeling of, oh, it's about to end. I can let go. I can be done with this. Where do you notice that? All right. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Even though we may not have wanted to do it, we got through it. And becoming aware of those resistant feelings is crucial to overcoming them if you need to. So thank you all for joining. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. If so, feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Thank you.